As of October 10, 2015, if you have invested $215 in Ethereum as of today, your investment would have been worth over $1,572,000. That is a huge profit for an investment of $215. Ethereum current coin market cap ranking is number 2, with a live market cap of $374,182,992. Remember that Ethereum provided investors with returns in excess of 1,000% prior to the start of the new year in 2020. According to Ethereum Price Predictions 2020, ETH is a particularly good investment asset when compared to Bitcoin, as well as for traders who can profit from short and long-term price swings. Let us know what industry experts think Ethereum price predictions will be in the next 5 years. Price predictions for Ethereum in 2022. The market anticipates that the ETH cryptocurrency will perform well, reaching a price of $6,700, which is somewhat optimistic in terms of price but undeniably achievable for Ethereum projections in the short term, thanks to partnerships, integrations, and community funding. Ethereum price forecast for 2023. Any policy or regulatory changes may result in some hazy days for Ethereum price prediction 2023. If Ether crypto maintains its support level near its 100-day and 200-day simple moving averages, SMAs, buyers will have enough time and stability to forge the next critical level attack mission, allowing Ethereum to reach $10,500 by the end of 2023. Ethereum price prediction for 2024. We anticipate that Ethereum will have many partnerships and integrations by 2024 based on the platform's most recent news updates, current upgrades, price forecasts, and new project forecasts. This could boost Ethereum's price forecast in the cryptocurrency market, making it the best investment as it approaches $14,800. Ethereum price prediction for 2025. According to market analysts, the average price of Ethereum will be around $16,300 by early 2025. With the release of Ethereum 2.0, the price is expected to rise to $18,800 by the end of the year. Over the next 5 years, as more short, medium, and long-term price targets for buy and sell orders become available, racing up to the climax for ETH will be easier. Ethereum price prediction for 2030. The Ethereum cryptocurrency market could reach $41,900 according to the new bull cycle. This price prediction level may be difficult to cross due to market volatility. According to cryptocurrency experts, ETH's growth may outpace that of BTC because the ETH blockchain provides better development support than the Bitcoin blockchain. Furthermore, DeFi and the NFT craze will significantly aid Ethereum's future growth. Most projects currently use Ethereum as a public blockchain, allowing them to reach a larger audience of users, currency, nodes, and markets. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your prediction in the comments.